Hola, amigos. Today was a really cool day working on coral restoration. I went out actually with a group of volunteers. Wes couldn't make it on this day, and it was just an amazing experience. Just you'll see. And today we were working on cleaning the live rock instead of platforms. So you'll see there's a real biodiversity of sponges and corals and fish that inhabit these live rock structures. There was a bit of a current, so it was tough for me to record while cleaning. This is the best I could do. And here's where the fun starts. We're going to show you two takes of this, but as you can see, if you look closely, we have here a moray eel and a species of grouper that are co-hunting. I've seen this behavior in documentaries and I think once before on a reef, on a boat dive, but this is the first time I've seen it in the restoration area, and it was just amazing to me. I came over here to tap my dive buddy Sarah on the shoulder and let her know that there was an eel in her path, and so she should avoid it. Look at the biodiversity just right here in this spot. We've got, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 different species of fish. I'm going to talk about the species later. And here we've got the eel deciding to relocate to a sponge nearby. So now, the elephant in the room, the harassing triggerfish. I want to call this the narcissistic triggerfish because it's like the whole time that I was recording, the triggerfish is like, no, no, look at me. At this point, I had to back up a little bit and just watch the triggerfish because, as you can see, it started biting my camera. Now, I don't know if it could see itself in the reflection of the camera lens and it thought it was attacking another fish, or if it was just attacking the camera. But here it is doing that. And actually, my dive buddy that day told me and showed me that she has scars from triggerfish biting her. So it's real. And just so you know, the moray eels are aggressive when you're in their territory. And so I wanted her to make sure that she didn't clean the area where the eel was because she could get bitten. Wes did a close-up here to show you the moray changing from one spot to the other. And you can see all of these fish, all of which are different species, are still hanging out in the same area where the moray is. We put this still shot in to show how many different coral species we have here. So just looking at this picture, I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different species of coral, just that I can see from this shot. There are probably more. And in addition to the spotted moray, we have blue tangs, we have a grouper, we have a type of angelfish, and what I believe to be a jack. And, por supuesto, the triggerfish. Wait for it.